Good morning. I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameshwar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today we are going to discuss common errors in English. The topic is important for degree final year students of the university. My job takes me almost to every part of the world. Well, try to understand. My job takes me almost to every part of the world. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, my job takes me to almost every part of the world. Because almost comes immediately before the word it modifies. Here, almost, modifying word every. For example, he was working in Delhi for almost 10 years. Next, outside Japan, almost nobody speaks Japanese. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, outside Japan, hardly anybody speaks Japanese. Because instead of saying almost no, nobody, never, etc., it is more useful to say hardly anybody, ever. Now again, for example, it was so early that there was hardly any traffic. I hardly ever go to the cinema nowadays. Next. I was very alone at first, but then I met some friends. Well, try to understand. I was very alone at first, but then I met some friends. It's incorrect. Correct one is, I was very lonely, not alone, at first, but then I met some friends. Because alone means without other people around you. For example, I have thought about getting married, but I prefer living alone. Lonely means sad because you are alone and feel that nobody loves you or cares about you. Again, for example, I didn't know anyone in Hyderabad and felt very lonely. She hated the long, lonely days in the empty house. Next, children learn a lot by doing things alone. Well, try to understand. Children learn a lot by doing things alone. Correct one is, children learn a lot by doing things on their own, because the idiom or phrase or expression on their own is very apt or suitable. Because on your own means without anyone's help or supervision, or independently. Again, for example, he built the car all on his own. Walking along the city after dark is not a good idea. The sentence is incorrect. Walking along the city after dark is not a good idea. Correct one is, walking through the city after dark is not a good idea. Well, try to understand. Along means moving. It expresses the situation of moving or movement. Moving next to the side of something. Long, such as a road or river. Well, again, for example, we walked along the Ganges as far as Patna. Through means from one side of an area to another. For example, the road goes through all major towns. Next, he died a long time ago, but his ideas are always alive. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, he died a long time ago, but his ideas are still alive. Because always means all the time or every time. Again, for example, she has always wanted her own Mercedes. I always go to work by train. But to say that a previous situation has not changed and continues now means at the time of speaking, we should use still, not always. Again, for example, Mr. Das is recovering, but he is still in hospital. The house is still for sale. In this way, today we have become acquainted with certain common sentences most commonly used in English. That's all for now. Thank you.